How to fix Messenger couldn't send the message. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go and open up your phone settings, and here you have to go on your phone app management. After that you have to click on the app settings. Now once you're in the app settings, here you have to search for the Messenger and click on it. Now you have to go on your storage and the cache, and here you have to click clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, what you have to do is simply go on the Play Store, and here you have to update your Messenger. After update, if it is still not fixed, what you have to do is simply click on the uninstall, and here you have to reinstall it. After reinstall it, if it is again couldn't fix it, what you have to do is simply restart your phone. After that it will fix out. So yeah, this is how you can fix Messenger couldn't send the message.